Struggling with high blood sugar every morning? Your breakfast could be the reason. Discover powerful breakfasts that help diabetics lower blood sugar, naturally and deliciously. Welcome back to Everly Health, your go-to channel for diabetic-friendly tips, especially for adults over 50. If you're waking up with high blood sugar or feeling tired even after a full night's sleep, your first meal of the day might be the key to turning things around. In today's video, we're diving into the top 3 breakfasts that not only keep your blood sugar steady, but actually help lower it. These meals are simple, satisfying, and packed with the right nutrients to kickstart your day the right way. So let's get right into it. Number 1, Veggie Omelette with avocado and whole grain toast. A well-balanced veggie omelette is one of the best breakfasts for diabetics, especially when paired with half an avocado and a slice of low-GI whole grain toast. This meal is rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which are the 3 pillars of blood sugar control. It keeps you full longer and prevents the post-meal glucose spikes that come from typical carb-heavy breakfasts. The eggs provide high-quality protein, which slows down digestion and reduces the rate at which glucose enters your bloodstream. Meanwhile, the vegetables, like spinach, mushrooms, bell peppers, or zucchini, add fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients without adding sugar. They also help reduce inflammation, which plays a major role in insulin resistance. Adding avocado to your omelette takes this breakfast to the next level. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that help improve heart health and insulin sensitivity. They're also low in carbs but high in fiber, making them a diabetic superfood. Even a few slices can leave you feeling satisfied and balanced. The toast, of course, must be chosen carefully. Avoid white bread or refined grains. Instead, go for sprouted grain bread or low glycemic whole grain options. These types digest slower and won't spike your blood sugar like traditional toast. Better yet, top it with natural nut butter or a light spread of hummus for even more fiber and healthy fat. This breakfast is ideal for seniors with diabetes because it's easy to prepare, highly customizable, and incredibly nutrient dense. You can switch up the veggies, adjust the seasoning, or even cook the eggs with a touch of olive oil to keep things heart-friendly. Most importantly, it helps stabilize blood sugar through the entire morning, reducing the risk of mid-morning crashes or cravings. It sets your metabolism on the right path, and that's exactly what breakfast should do. Number 2, chia seed pudding with berries and unsweetened almond milk. If you're looking for a cool, creamy, and blood sugar-friendly way to start your day, chia seed pudding is a game changer. This simple dish is packed with fiber, omega-3 fats, and plant-based protein, making it perfect for diabetics, especially seniors who want something easy to prepare and gentle on digestion. Chia seeds absorb liquid and swell into a gel-like texture. When soaked overnight in unsweetened almond milk, they create a pudding that's both satisfying and extremely low on the glycemic index. Each tablespoon of chia delivers over 5 grams of fiber, which helps slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. To enhance the flavor and nutritional value, top your pudding with a handful of fresh berries, like blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. These fruits are naturally low in sugar but high in antioxidants, making them ideal for blood sugar control. They also add a slight sweetness without the need for any refined sugar or syrups. One of the best parts, this breakfast is make-ahead friendly. You can prep 2 to 3 servings in jars and keep them in the fridge, making mornings quicker and less stressful. For seniors managing diabetes, this convenience is a huge win. It means less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your day. Want to give it a flavor boost without sugar? Add a dash of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract. Cinnamon in particular has been shown to help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. That's a big plus for those battling morning spikes. Chia pudding isn't just a trendy food, it's a functional, filling breakfast that helps diabetics maintain control, feel energized, and nourish their bodies in a very gentle way. Number 3, sweet potato hash with eggs and spinach. Looking for a warm, hearty breakfast that's still kind to your blood sugar? Sweet potato hash with eggs and spinach might be exactly what you need. It's a comfort food that works, with the perfect balance of slow digesting carbs, protein, and fiber that diabetics need to thrive. Sweet potatoes are often misunderstood. While they are higher in carbs than leafy greens, they have a lower glycemic index than white potatoes and are packed with fiber and nutrients like beta-carotene, potassium, and vitamin C. When eaten in moderation and combined with protein and greens, they actually help regulate blood sugar. Add in a couple of eggs for protein, and you're building a complete blood sugar-friendly meal. Eggs not only provide essential amino acids, but they also support muscle maintenance and satiety, which is critical for seniors looking to maintain energy and prevent blood sugar crashes before lunch. Spinach brings a powerful dose of magnesium, iron, and antioxidants, and it's virtually carb-free. It also plays a role in blood sugar regulation and helps reduce insulin resistance. Sautéed lightly in olive oil or avocado oil, spinach complements the sweetness of the potatoes and the richness of the eggs perfectly. To make this meal diabetic-friendly, always control the portion of sweet potatoes. About 1/2 cup cooked is a great start. Avoid adding sugary ketchup or sauces, and use herbs and spices like turmeric, garlic, paprika, or thyme instead. This breakfast is not only flavorful and filling, it's also anti-inflammatory, energizing, and perfectly suited for seniors managing type 2 diabetes. Smart tip: plan your breakfast like your medicine, with intention, not emotion. Most people, especially seniors, don't realize that breakfast sets the metabolic tone for the entire day. A sugary, carb-heavy meal in the morning can spike your blood sugar and leave you chasing stability all day long. That's why planning your breakfast with purpose, not just taste or convenience, is a game changer for diabetes control. Instead of grabbing whatever is quick or familiar, take a moment the night before to prepare or mentally commit to a low GI, fiber-rich breakfast. Something as simple as putting chia pudding in the fridge or chopping veggies for your morning omelet can mean the difference between a steady morning and a blood sugar roller coaster. Another overlooked tip: eat slowly and mindfully, chewing thoroughly, avoiding distractions like TV, and focusing on your meal helps your digestive system do its job better. Seniors often underestimate how powerful mindful eating is in keeping blood sugar balanced, especially after age 50 when digestion tends to slow down. Hydration is also key. Many seniors wake up dehydrated, which can elevate blood sugar levels. Start your morning with a glass of water, maybe even with a slice of lemon or a pinch of cinnamon. This simple habit can aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and prep your system for a healthier meal. And here's the big one: avoid fruit juices at breakfast. Even the natural or 100% fruit options are loaded with concentrated sugar that can spike your glucose levels quickly. Whole fruits in small portions are much better, especially when paired with fat or protein. Bottom line, treat breakfast like your first line of defense against blood sugar spikes. With smart choices and a little planning, you're not just managing diabetes, you're mastering it. And there you have it, 3 delicious blood sugar-friendly breakfasts that can help diabetics, especially seniors, start their day with balance and control. Remember, managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up good food. It means choosing smarter food that works for your body, not against it. If just one of these breakfast ideas helps you feel better, think clearer, or avoid that mid-morning crash, you're already winning. Small, consistent changes each morning can compound into massive improvements over time. Your breakfast isn't just a meal, it's your first daily decision to fight back against type 2 diabetes. If this video helped you or gave you a new idea to try, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to Everly Health, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip designed specifically for seniors with diabetes. And hey, share this video with a friend or loved one who needs help managing their morning routine too. Until next time, take care of your health one meal at a time, because at Everly Health, we believe it's never too late to take back control of your life.